Is your T-Mobile home internet gateway not appearing in your Wi-Fi network list? There are three primary reasons: a hidden SSID, channel configuration issues, and distance limitations. T-Mobile gateways often default to a hidden SSID for enhanced security. This means the network name isn't broadcast, making it invisible to standard network scans. Secondly, channel congestion can cause problems. Your gateway automatically selects a Wi-Fi channel, but in densely populated areas, interference from other networks can weaken the signal. Finally, distance plays a role. 5G signals, especially at higher frequencies, degrade more quickly over distance. This can be exacerbated by walls or other obstructions. Troubleshooting involves addressing these three factors, usually starting with the hidden SSID setting. Check the default SSID, usually in the format T-Mobile Home Internet XXXX, printed on the gateway. First, access your gateway's settings through the T-Mobile app or by entering 192.168.12.1 in a web browser. Look for Wi-Fi settings and temporarily unhide the SSID. This makes it visible during device setup. If the SID is already visible or unhiding doesn't work, channel optimization is next. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your phone or computer to identify less crowded channels, especially in the 5 GHz band. Channels 36 to 48 are often good choices. Manually select a less congested channel within your gateway settings. Finally, address distance limitations. Reposition the gateway to a more central location. Consider using Wi-Fi extenders or mesh pods compatible with T-Mobile's gateway to boost signal strength, especially if you need coverage in a large home. Regularly check for firmware updates, as T-Mobile often releases improvements addressing these issues. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile customer service for remote diagnostics.